A fire broke out in the early hours of Sunday, December 15, 2024, at the administrative complex of Zimbabwe's National Army ZNA headquarters, located in the Josiah Magama Tongogara Barracks, formerly KG6, causing significant damage to some offices. Sanabula Mashogo atona kuti aiwa the Army KG6 barracks it was gutted in fire today early in the morning. Ndipo subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Timina zimu ai vanouya vachiti public address vanyora vachiti according to a statement released by Colonel Afios Makotori, Director of Army Public Relations. The fire started at approximately 2:50 a.m. That's 10 minutes to 3. Firefighters were quickly dispatched to the scene. It managed to contain the blaze before it spread further. The ZNA has confirmed that no casualties were reported at the barracks. However, the extent of the damage to the administrative complex has not yet been fully assessed. Investigations into the scene of the fire will soon commence. The ZNA has assured the public that updates will be provided as more details become available. Thomas Wanudanyira Tondo Wananoya Machipindura this comment section is Chiti. They must arrest you for trying to fuel the war in Zimbabwe. Wanudanyira Chiti good news. Wanudanyira Chiti mwachiti mwachiti titende. Paturi kuona kuti kune vamwe vanhu vanotofara pachona zvinochiitika kune vakomana vearmy ava moziva kuti nyika haitombodirikana kuti monzwa nezvavakomana ivavo kuti unoita unoziva kuti aiwa they thought them vakada kuita zvaizvo zvamunosiziva. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndinako message yedu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.